Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to create a robot. I'm going to show you mine right now. I've only drawn it out so far, and I'm going to show you how to paint it with watercolor markers. So hold on a minute, and I'll show you the process. But before we begin, I was looking around my studio, and I came across these. I don't know if any of you have these in your art studio or your art space, but they are little posable wooden figures, and you can actually see how things are going to look, and they reminded me a little bit of a robot and how they bend. Okay, another one here, smaller. You may have one of these at home, and you know I love cats, so here's some kitties. Here we go. This is how you're going to do your robots. But before you start, I do want to show you one thing. I made a little worksheet that you can see here. I'll put it up to the screen. Robots, bits and pieces. You can look at eyes, body shape, parts, head, ears, arms, mouth, little antenna, little gadgets to put on, hair, legs. Don't forget all those parts, okay? So let's start. You need to start out with, let me just get this a little bit closer so you can see. You need to start out with the head. I'm going to use a black marker. This is a Sharpie. You don't have to use a Sharpie. You can use just a watercolor marker. I'm going to use a Sharpie, okay, because it shows up for you. And I did a square head. Okay, can you see? Yep. I put some square ears on. We're staying in the square shape. And remember, robots are made of shapes. And I put round circle eyes and funny little half closed. He's going to be looking around a little bit. And I made those fun antenna at the top that I was talking about that I thought would be a lot of fun to do. Okay. And the neck. You want to go and get a neck in there. Okay, that's the second thing you want to do. Neck. And then a body shape. I've got a couple of different ones you can choose from. Circle, square. This is a little bit like a rectangle, but it's squared off at the bottom. So let's try that one, but I'll do it upside down. There we go. Made a little line here. I think I'm going to give him a belt to put some things on. Doesn't have to be a boy robot. You can make a girl. I have one over here. Okay. It's up to you what you want to choose. All right. Next step. Let's add legs, but in that bendable shape that I had bended the figure in over here. His legs were bending. And turn this over here. Another leg. All right. I'm coloring some areas in. Okay. I'm going to give him a little roller so he can kind of skate along the ground. He can move along fast. Oh, his arms are missing. Let's put those on. And I'm going to bend them. And I'm going to give him some claws. Okay? Good? I'll show it to you so far. If you can't see it from where you are, I hope you can see it. There you go. And his arm, I'll bend it, holding down. And another claw here. And you can put some shapes or design actually in here if you'd like. Keep it simple. All right. How about a mouth? Okay. There you go. What else can we put in here? Oh, I was talking about his belt. Looking on my little robots of bits and pieces, I was thinking of maybe a phone, something like a little phone or something like over here. So he's got to have something where he can make a connection to others. So let's give him an antenna on there. Okay. Then I'm going to put a clock on him. 3, 4, 5. Okay. And the time. So he knows what time it is and where he's going. You don't have to do that. It's just something I wanted to put on my robot. I'll give him a little belt shape. Okay. I'm going to make his knees, give him knee pads, because if he's on rollers, or like rollerblades, and he's moving along, you don't want him to get hurt. Okay? And you can fill that in if you like. Now, if you do fill things in with black and it's watercolor marker, be careful when you put a little water over there because it can get kind of messy. And I will show you those things in just a moment. Let's give him his legs so he can bend a little and go quicker. Okay, we're ready, I think. Ready for a little color. I'm just going to take your basic green and just color in a little bit. Now you can color it in and just leave it as a marker color. You don't have to add water to it, all right? I went in 2 different ways. I went horizontal and vertical with my marker so I could fill in all the lines, okay? If you want to use watercolor, you can. So make it watercolor by adding water. I'll give you a little demonstration. There's a little bits of marker color, okay? Take a brush, all right? This is a size 4. It's medium size, okay? A little bit of water. And what you can do is take a little bit and spread it around. So you see, what I'm doing is taking a little bit of the marker color and moving it around. The reason my black isn't moving is because I used a permanent marker, okay? If you use a watercolor marker and you put water on the black, it'll turn gray. So you might want to do that if you want a gray tone robot. All right, so enjoy. Add as many colors as you want. You do not have to add water unless you want to use the watercolor. You can do 2 of these and you can make him a little friend, maybe in the corner. I want you to create. I want you to enjoy. And I want you to have fun. See you soon.